Hi, I'm Holly Silva and I've been a crafts expert for 15 years. Today I'm going to show you how to DIY a fishmobile with felt. Now here I've already shown you a couple of ideas of fish that I've already cut out of felt. Very simply just drawing a design out on the felt and then cutting it out. And then of course, what is a fish without its googly eyes? So I Elmer's glued just an eye on each of the fish. Now once each side dries, you're going to want to flip over the fish and put another googly eye on that side. All right. Here I also have some some clothespins. Here I have some clothespins. Now I'm going to take the clothespins and add just a little bit of craft wire to the end of it, as you see here, just a piece, and I'm going to fold one side up just to give it idea of a hook like. So I'm going to grab this clothespin and stick the hook through the lip, one of the lips. The upper lip really is the best, I think, of the fish. So this is how we're going to hang them, okay? Make sure the eye is nice and tacked on there. Okay. Now what I have here is a couple of popsicle sticks that I painted white, and I attached it by wrapping some craft wire up and over just to make it like a nice sturdy base there. And then of course I attached some really pretty blue ribbon to go along with the ocean theme. Now I'm going to wrap each end of the ribbon to a clothespin and make it a nice double tie there because you want it nice and tight because these will come loose. So you want to make sure that you tighten the edge there like that. And here is just an example of how it should look. And this is how you DIY a fishmobile with felt. Have a good time. See you next time.